Hey there, my name is Alok and I'm the founder of AutoReel. Today I'm going to show you how to use AutoReel to create a beautiful drone fly-through for your home, your listing, or your community in just minutes using our AI-powered tool. To get started, let's go to autoreelapp.com and let's go ahead and sign in if you're not already done so. In this case, I have signed in. And let's proceed to the dashboard. This is where the magic begins. This is where you enter your home's information. And so there's two ways to do so. You can manually include your information about the home, community, or listing, or you can import it directly from realtor.com. Now for this example, I'm going to use the realtor.com import, and this allows me to import the home facts quickly and easily, automatically from Realtor, but also it downloads all the photos directly from Realtor, so I don't have to upload anything from my laptop. Now rest assured, if you want to upload photos from your listing, or community from your laptop, you can totally do so, and we'll do that in the next screen. I'm going to keep this very simple and go directly from the URL of the home on realtor.com and create the video directly here on AutoReel. I copied the URL to the home and I click import. This is the home that I want to create the drone fly-through for. Now you can see that the information is automatically downloaded and ingested from Realtor, and we can go ahead and proceed to the next step. At this point, we can leverage the photos that were uploaded from realtor.com, or we can upload our own photos if we want to upload and leverage, higher resolution photos, additional photos that may not exist online. I can do so at this point from my computer. To keep this demo simple, I'm going to use the photos that are automatically being downloaded from realtor.com. I'm going to click next, and here I have the opportunity to customize the video. Typically best practice is essentially 4 to 5 scenes, and that comes out to be a 20-30 second long video, but of course you can select up to 15 since I'm on the enterprise or teams plan. For this example, I'm going to select 5 photos or scenes that I want to highlight in my drone fly-through video. So what I'm going to do is I usually like selecting the front of the home just to get started. And so I'm going to select the front. I'm going to select the living room next as scene number 2. Let's go ahead and find where that is. Here it is. I want to show off the kitchen. It's a beautiful, gorgeous kitchen with an open floor plan. So I'm going to show off the kitchen right here. I want to show the bathroom as well, maybe a bedroom, and then we'll do an aerial to kind of round it out. For the bedroom, I'll select this one. And then I want to show off the backyard or an aerial, and so I will find the right scene for that. And I'm going to end on the aerial, actually, just to keep this simple. So now that we have that selected, I'm going to go ahead and select the options to customize the video. In this case, I want to stick with landscape because it's best practice that if you want a landscape video, we recommend having landscape photos. Now, if you want a portrait video, you should use portrait photos, but best practice is to stick to the ratio and the size of the photos for the type of video that you want, and otherwise we'll have to fill in the gaps as needed, but that's kind of best practice. Now in this case, I want to create a video with no options, right? No text, just a beautiful drone fly through, but I do want my profile picture featured, and I do want that to show up at the end with just my contact information right here. And you know what? I'm going to include the just listed because I want to show off that this home just came to market and it's ready to browse. I'm going to select the big and bold font. It's our standard that we typically follow. It's a font that social media platforms like Instagram will have, and so I'm going to use the big and bold font with this profile picture, and I'm going to hit create, and that's it. AutoReel is already using its AI-powered engine to generate the drone fly-through for the home. And you can see the caption is already ready to go with emojis, hashtags, and a copy to allow easy copy paste in the social media channels of your choice. Now typically videos can take anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes depending on server load, but we'll send you an email when it's ready, so you'll be notified when the video is ready to download and publish on your favorite channels. Let's give it a few minutes to finish processing here. In about 10 minutes, the video generation process is completed, and our AI-powered engine has built a beautiful drone fly-through of the listing that we just created in a few clicks. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. The beautiful fireplace has come to life. Very cool. And it looks like we're actually walking through the kitchen and bathroom of this home. And we have a nice aerial shot to cap off the video and show what the community looks like, and then a way to contact me if anyone's interested in the listing or just wants to work with me in general. We have a beautiful video that was created in just minutes and a few clicks, and the caption is already ready to use as well with hashtags and emojis. I'm going to copy the caption and I'm going to go ahead and download this video, and now I'm free to send this out to clients, post it on social media channels, or go to a more advanced video editor and stitch this together with some more content that I want to put together. This is the fastest way to create videos, professional looking drone fly-throughs for your homes, communities, listings, and more in just minutes with AutoReel. Thank you.